bread pudding, 3 cups of whole milk, and a cup of heavy cream, a cup and a half of brown sugar, 8 egg yolks, but that's kind of a lot of separating, so I think I'm gonna do 5 egg yolks and an egg. 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna whisk it up. I have 1 baguette. I'm gonna rip it, toast it up, and then throw it in that mixture. I want like squares. Quick break. Bake 350 covered for 40 minutes and then uncovered for 20 minutes. And then I sprinkled some sugar on top and 450 for 10 minutes. And this is what it is. Now just time to make the caramel. 1/2 cup of butter, 1 cup of brown sugar. Once it's boiling, turn off the heat and add in 1/2 cup of evaporated milk, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm taking it to a dinner party, so we'll cut into it later.